to country 3 out of 4. So on my way to the airport to head to India. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to document this one well. So yeah, I'm currently in Frankfurt and I'm just gonna head to the airport. My flight is later tonight, so see y'all there. Oh my forehead, what I'm reacting to, man. Anyway. Alright friends, boarding my flight to India and I will see y'all there. So your girl has touched down India. I am in New Delhi. I've come out of immigration, all of that stuff, which was very fast actually, and the flight was pretty smooth. The airline maybe not so much, but the flight was pretty smooth. I like slept the whole way here, but I'm so excited. I can't believe I'm here. I feel like I would have never come to India, or at least it wasn't like on the top of my list, but yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go. Bye. Okay, good morning. So in a couple clips from now you will see me in the same outfit, but I wanted to do the intro for Saturday because I didn't get to do it. So today we are going to the market, which is basically just the mall, to do some grocery shopping. It ended up turning out very eventful because it was like I expected us to go to like a market, but we went to an actual mall, which was alright, but there are things I wanted to get that I couldn't get. But regardless, this is how that day kind of went. See ya. Say hi. So today is the first day of school, kind of. Okay, so today we are doing all the orientation stuff. We are going to have some high tea with faculty and stuff, and then we're going to do a campus tour, just basic orientation stuff. So come along with me as we do that. Chaos. Help family. So today we are at the main campus just visiting. We had a class here and then we're doing a little tour. So show you around. Good morning. Good morning, family. Okay, just have to get that out of my throat. But it's a new day in India, in Varanasi, in LM Tapper School of Management. So today we're leaving the campus yet again for another day. Thank you, Jesus. And we are going to just do like grocery shopping. Honestly, I think we just really want to be outside. That's just the thing. We just want to be outside. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. We are going to go to sector 9 and sector 17. I don't fully get the sector thing yet, but when I do, I'll probably explain it if I ever do. But yeah, why am I wearing sunglasses inside? Because I'm about to go outside. So yeah, and I wanted to say something else, but I forgot. Oh, I'll be shooting everything else from my phone because today I'm feeling pursy. So rather than carrying my big bag, I'm stuffing everything in my purse. And unfortunately, there's no space for my camera. So I am just going to shoot everything from my phone. So see you outside. Bye.
Afterwards, what's so spicy?
What? My chicken. Really?
Can I try your chicken? I want to try spicy.
Natalia, are we taking this?
Yeah, go meet them.
Are you coming with us? This is